empty. What will we do first? Let's first unzip the bag of bottles, which plastic. Fail.
Of course it's good. I cooked it.
Oh, okay.
Of course it's good. Now mind though, I'm gonna do some shopping later. And I'll probably get some macaroni and cheese. And had for a while.
And fried chicken?
Oh yeah, probably. I'll take it up there. If I reach home, my other half most likely can go out there with her mom, so it's gonna be me and myself and I.
What time are you working?
For 3. It's like me, myself, and I, so I think it's not good enough. I'll probably watch a movie or two. Either watch a movie or two or
I'm in first.
No, I have Blu-ray. No, I have Blu-ray.
That's how much people bring to the bottle rooms here in New York. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I've never seen one like that.
Yeah, it's a unique design. Thanks.
Sort of basketball game, anything.
Yeah.
Or you can kind of think that you need something to buy on or something.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good to have.
Yeah.
I think everybody should have that.
Yeah. Cost me $300, but it was worth it. Yeah.
Technology on it.
Yeah. See, because there's no cover like that on this machine, some of the bottles fell through, so now I'm basically getting free deposits.
Put salt on it too?
Yep.
Oh shoot, you got that like I got my phone. I can somebody say something, I can chase what they say and say, if you will give me $1,000, I'm gonna report you.
No. Got stuck. Yeah. We gotta get a ring around that hole like the other machines have. Yeah, sure you don't accept Deer Park. Oh, I do have more cans. Oh well. $2. It says store doesn't accept this brand.
Oh, you ever go to the zoo and take something like that with the animals?
No, I don't go to the zoo. Nah.
Oh, you ever been there though?
Oh, you talking about the Bronx Zoo or?
Yeah.
No. Never got around to it. Take it. Alright. And as a bonus, and now we're gonna make my money. That's it.